नमस्कार बच्चों. So here I am going to give you some ideas of punctuation marks, how it is used and where it is used. So here is exclamation marks. This is the sign of exclamation marks. Now worksheet 7, read the dialogue given below. It took place between two brothers who had a fight. Note carefully the sentences with mark of exclamation. Now Chirag said, "How dare you enter my room?" Apurv said, "Big brother, I came to say sorry." Now here you see exclamation mark has been used. "Get out at once. I don't want your sorry." Apurv said, "What a monster you are." You see exclamation mark here. Chirag, "I would be rather that than have you here." So you read this conversation and now work with your partner and write down the sentences that expresses a sudden emotion, wish or a strong feeling. Wherever you see a sudden emotion, wish or a strong feeling, you have to put exclamation mark there, like "How dare you enter my room?" Now you see "Get out at once," it's also a exclamation mark here, and this sentence you can write here. So there are many sentences, very easily you can write it. The punctuation mark at the end of each of the statements you have written in exercise 2 is symbol sign यहाँ पे you can write, and is called an exclamation mark. Now imagine you are a witness to any one of the situations. Write a dialogue expressing sudden emotion, wishes and strong feelings. In this you can write something like that: "I warned you not to play with the crockeries. Wow, hooray, I won the match. I got first in the annual exam." So you can do this. Now come to comma. You know commas represent the shortest pause in a sentence, like "I have bought a pen, pencil and a few file covers. He is fairly understanding, patient and cooperative. This night was dark, quiet and scary." So commas represent the shortest pause. Now imagine you are a reporter. You have been asked to write a report on the attitude of the people of your city towards the environment. And in order to do so, you want to design a questionnaire and ask some people to fill it up. Write the questions, giving at least 3 options for people to choose from. One question has been done for you. This exercise also you can do easily. Topics you can use these: mode of traveling to nearby places, disposal of garbage, like this: "When I go shopping, I first ask for a recycled paper bag, carry my own cloth bag, use a plastic." Now suppose you choose frequency of pulling of vehicles. When you pull a vehicle, what do you see? Do you see the proper place? Do you see it is no parking zone? Do you park here and there? So like that you can write. Now look at the pictures given below. Imagine you are the salesperson who has to sell this tea set. Complete the sentence given below which you would use to describe it. This tea set is a perfect one for you. It is unbreakable. It comprises 6 saucers. So it comprises 6 saucers. It will last for at least 10 years. It is from China. You can write like that. Imagine this is garden you love to sit here most of the time. Complete the sentence to say why you like it. I like my garden because it is beautiful, because it has beautiful trees, trees, flowers, fruits. I like that the greenery and the airy environment, like that you can write. So you see, in this way you can do these exercises. Now I would like you to complete all these exercises and put commas. 2 commas are used to separate words, phrases, small clauses that interrupt normal sentence structure. Now you see in worksheet 11, read the following sentences. Yes, that's my jacket. Your Majesty, I am the owner of the house. Thank you, I would be glad to come. She is such a beautiful baby, isn't she? Excuse me, sir, is that your car? Do you see how comma has been used after excuse me, thank you, yes. Now, Your Majesty, I am the owner of house. It is a short pause, so comma has been used. Why do you notice about the uses of the words yes, Your Majesty, sir, thank you, isn't she, in the sentences given in the previous page? Now you see, the rule is word phrases like yes, no and question tags are separated with a comma. Sometimes 2 commas, as in sentence E, from the rest of the sentence. तो कभी कभी 2 बार हम लोग कॉमा लगाते हैं, जैसे कि excuse me sir, is that your car? So now let us punctuate the following sentence. You will come to see us, comma, won't you? Full stop. Okay. And now ladies and gentlemen, for the good gentleman के बाद आप कॉमा लगा दीजिए. For the good news, I को कैपिटल करिए. इस I have had plenty to eat. Eat के बाद आप कॉमा लगा सकते हैं, फुल स्टॉप लगा सकते हैं. No, you are mistaken. No के बाद आप कॉमा लगा सकते हैं. Your sister is a yoga instructor, comma, isn't she? I am all right, mom. I am के बाद लगाइए. Minisha, must you always be complaining? Minisha के बाद comma, must you always be complaining? So quite easy. You have to do question number 3 same way, capital letter, full stop, question marks and commas. Now let us do apostrophe. Now look at the pictures below given. Imagine you are to go on an African safari. The things shown in the picture belong to your family members. Now like that is daddy's hat, that is brother's shoe, that is sister's thermos, that is my uncle's animal. So like that you can write easily. Now an apostrophe is used to show that someone owns something. किसी के पास कुछ है, कोई चीज़ है, तो वो own करता है, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग apostrophe का use करते हैं. After the last person, if two or more named people own something, example D. After the S is more than one person, one own something. तो आप देखिए यहाँ पे कि अगर एग्जाम्पल डी देखते हैं यहाँ पे, देखिए दैट मदर एंड सुजैनाज सन टैन क्रीम, दैट इज मदर एंड सुजैना शीनाज सन टैन क्रीम. तो जब दो लोग हों तो लास्ट जो पर्सन है उसके बाद अपोस्ट्रॉफी लगाते हैं. और कभी कभी जब कई व्यक्ति का है कोई चीज़ है, वाटर बॉटल कई लोगों का है, तो दैट इज़ माई सिस्टर्स वाटर बॉटल. तो सिस्टर्स के बाद अपोस्ट्रॉफी लगाते हैं. और यहाँ देखिए डैडीज़ एस के पहले और यहाँ पे एस के बाद. तो आफ्टर द एस इज़ मोर देन वन पर्सन ओन समथिंग, एग्जाम्पल एफ. करेक्ट द following sentences by writing S or an apostrophe wherever required. The gymnast, I think gymnast में T के बाद लगेगा. The gymnast skill is worthy of praise. The railway men के बाद apostrophe S. Can I go to Cindy's house? Cindy's, comma, apostrophe S, Cindy's. My uncle and aunts, apostrophe aunt के बाद apostrophe S होगा. Library is the biggest one I have ever seen. Raghav के बाद Raghav's shirt got torn while he was playing. Rishi and Raghav's parents are doctors. Raghav के बाद apostrophe S. The tiger's den was in a dense forest. तो आप यहाँ पे S के बाद भी लगा सकते हैं. S के बाद ही होगा. The tiger's den was in dense forest. Okay. Now you see, read the following contractions: cannot, can't, will not, won't. नोट द यूज़ ऑफ अपोस्ट्रॉफी. कैसे यूज़ किया था? कैन के बाद अपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड टी, वॉन्ट के बाद अपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड टी. उसी तरह इसमें कॉन्ट्रैक्शन के लिए आई वॉन्ट, आई हैव, आई के बाद अपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड वी ई. हैडंट, हैड के बाद अपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड टी. डोंट, डी ओ एन, अपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड टी. शांट, एस एच ए एन, अपोस्ट्रॉफी टी. You will, U के बाद apostrophe double L. So what you have to do is write the 5 more contraction in and their full forms. तो यहाँ पे ये आपको करना है. So there is one error in each line. Underline the error and write the correction in the space provided. Now you see, quite easy exercise today. We are in the short form. Kapoor's apostrophe S you will use. Kapoor के बाद apostrophe S. It के बाद apostrophe S. It is going to be a great evening. Actually it के बाद it apostrophe double L, like an old students meet. ओल्ड स्टूडेंट्स मीट. स्टूडेंट के बाद apostrophe S लगेगा. आई थिंक टू बी अबाउट 20 ऑफ अस. वी हैव, वी के बाद apostrophe S. To be there a bit early because my sisters. To be there a bit early because my sisters के बाद sister के बाद apostrophe s, sisters, friends who have, who के बाद भी, who have been abroad all these years are going to be there. So well be is seems to be wrong. Will be so you can correct here. Able to chat for some time, some more time. What's mean apostrophe s. About the evening is the fact that there के बाद apostrophe s लगा सकते हैं. So here we stop, and more exercises we will do tomorrow. Thank you for today.